Embrace is a 2-day course. It incorporates a skills lab. We get different vendors, co-sponsors to come in and educate some of the fellows, some of the young docs with their tools. We've brought all those elements together. We got a top-notch doctor in Dr. Adams to really just come in here and make a course out of it. You know, between the skills lab, the cadaver lab that we ran, and then doing the live cases, it's you put all these elements out there and you bring them all together for one functionality, and that's embracing the patient.
This was a one-of-a-kind, unique course, mostly because of a hands-on experience. It's invaluable to get really one-on-one, small group interaction with Dr. Adams.
We want to keep this very small, very intimate, because what we feel like is that we're actually creating a sense of community within the people that are in the program.
The Embrace course is important because it teaches the next generation of physician and actually allows them to put their hands on devices, which they don't typically get to do.
To me, the value is this one-on-one setting with one of the world's best, and you're getting to ask them how he would do this or why he would do that. And so it's just that very comfortable one-on-one, getting to pick the brain of one of the world's best. To me, that's it.
Being able to interact with other fellows and colleagues in a small group setting, I think, to learn about their practices, their experiences at their institutions is really something unique about this course.
Another thing that's unique about this course is it brings together multiple industries working together for a similar cause.
These are connections you're going to make for a lifetime, and I'm excited to collaborate and be in touch with my colleagues that are here.
Fellows are our future, and we've got to invest in our future, and that's one thing Asahi has been given to me and to my team, is to find programs, unique ways to collaborate with all the different co-sponsors and to teach them so that we're making them stronger and better and more patient-centric as they move through their career.
It's so refreshing to have the opportunity to have a collaborative approach with industry to help educate the next generation of physicians.
Asahi Intech is a very patient-centric company. It's based on who Asahi is. The Japanese culture is very unique, but we do things in a very genuine and strategic manner that make a difference, and I think that's where we thrive.
It's been a pleasure.
It was wonderful. Thank you so much.
It's been awesome.